DIY car repairs you can do at home. Are you tired of spending your hard-earned money on expensive car repairs at the mechanic? Well, we've got great news. There are some simple DIY car repairs you can do right in the comfort of your own home. First things first, let's talk about changing your engine oil. This is essential for keeping your engine running smoothly, and doing it yourself can save you a pretty penny. Just make sure to follow your vehicle's maintenance schedule and use the recommended oil. Next up, replacing your air filter is a breeze. A clean air filter improves your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Simply locate the air filter, remove the old one, and replace it with a new one. It's that easy. Don't forget about your windshield wipers. Worn-out wipers can be a safety hazard, especially in poor weather conditions. To replace them, simply lift the wiper arm, unhook the old blade, and slide in the new one. Voila! Clear vision restored. Now, let's talk about your car's battery. Over time, corrosion can build up on the terminals, affecting your vehicle's performance. To clean them, disconnect the battery cables. Then use a wire brush and a mixture of baking soda and water to scrub away the corrosion. While we're on the topic of batteries, did you know that you can easily replace a dead car battery yourself? Just make sure to follow the proper safety precautions, like wearing gloves and safety glasses. Finally, don't neglect your tires. Regularly checking tire pressure and rotating your tires can help extend their lifespan and improve your car's handling. Use a tire pressure gauge to ensure they're at the optimal level, and consult your owner's manual for rotation guidelines. So, there you have it. With just a few basic tools and a little knowledge, you can save money and keep your car running smoothly by tackling these simple DIY car repairs at home. Happy fixing!